in my truck. So today we're going to be going kayaking. We're going to take the new kayak on its first spin on Lake Hosmer, which apparently used to be called Mud Lake because it used to be muddy and murky, and then they built a dam and that changed everything. And then there was some naturalist guy and band named Paul Hosmer, and so then they named it after him. So anyway, that's just a quick little history. But anyway, let's get over there. It's about 40 minutes away from Bend, so it's in Sisters, Oregon, and it's one of the Cascade Lakes. So let's go check it out. So here we go. All right, so we're on the lake. So far, so good. It's definitely a colder, non-sunny day today, but it's very beautiful, definitely. So I hope you liked this video, and I hope it's helpful if you're just trying to decide if you want a Chelan120 by Aquaglide. I give it a thumbs up. So far so good. We'll probably review it like a year from now, but it's done great for me. It's pretty fun. I haven't flipped over and fallen. And it's pretty comfy. Yeah. So anyway, make sure you like and subscribe, comment, hit that bell notification, and follow us on Instagram. So thanks for watching.